Tropea, around 6,000 people. For most, the first thing that comes to mind is the onion. For others, only the sea and the holidays. I was born here. I lived here for my first 12 years of my life. I don't come back often. Sometimes I don't want to. I never saw myself in a lot of what happens here. They say every people feels time in its own way. From what I've seen, that is true. Here, times move slowly, very slowly, almost still, like most of the South. "20 years back on, I find the same buildings, the same bare brick, the same people doing the same things, always have, always will. For most people that would be a nightmare. It is a little, for me too. Which is probably why I come back so early. And yet, in a world of impossible hours and endless running, a place where nothing happens is a thing you need. Who knows what I will find next time? Probably the same stones, the same brick, the same intercoms. Either way, really a journey through time.